Hello and welcome to another lesson in our websites or blog website development in WordPress. And in this lesson, we're going to go ahead and add some downloads category where we can share our files and our applications for our users to come and download, and also add some few stuffs. Okay, so let's quickly dive right into that. So there we go. So let's just navigate through our website and see how it looks like. About us, we have the page here. Articles category, we have this here. So anything about articles, you can just come under this and you post it here. Okay, we'll be doing that right away. Whatever is about news, you can come here and then you add it. Then they can contact us here. Okay, so we need another category, another menu like downloads. Okay, we need something like that. But before we do that, let's quickly take this out. Okay, let's just take this out here. Okay, so to do that, let's just go to the dashboard. Quickly go to the posts. Okay, and then on post we just locate this one, this particular one here, and we send it to the trash. We delete it. Okay, it's deleted. So now if we should visit our site, it wouldn't be there. Perfectly done. Now the next thing we're going to do is, like I said, we need to add another menu here called downloads. Okay, so to do that, we are going to create a category for it. Okay, we're going to create a category for it, but before I even do that, the first thing I would want us to do is okay, let's create add a new post. Okay, but before we add the post, I would want us to go through what I want us to add. It's going to be under downloads. Okay, the category we're adding is going to be the downloads category. Let me minimize this and let's go through this. I made mention of two important applications our colleagues created, the church management system as well as the e-voting. Okay, so we're going to share all these two files in our downloads category. So let's see how we can do that. I also have two posts here. We'll share one under news and another one under articles. Then you see how it works. Perfect. So we'll come to that. Now I have the screenshot of the various applications. The church management system, I have the screenshot here. The e-voting as well, I have the screenshot here. Okay, so now let's quickly go back. So to do this, let's quickly go to the post and then share new post. So here I can say watch out, this amazing. Okay, it's a free download. Okay, let me just do it this way. Free download. Sorry. This amazing e-voting system. Okay, perfect. So here you can go ahead and give some description about the e-voting system. Okay, so I don't want us to waste much time on that. Let me just generate some random text and then we use it for that. Lauren would be good for that. Okay. Go to Lauren into brackets 3. So we have this simple post and we assume that is a description of our system. Okay, so you can just add that here. Perfect. Now I would want us to add some plugin. Okay, let's just we want to see the toolbar, so let's come here and then select this, and this will give us the toolbar here. Okay, good. So let's I don't want to get you confused. Let's just go ahead and go back to the we want to publish this for now. We'll come back to it. Okay, so let's quickly go ahead. Now the next thing we would want to do is let's add the featured. So let's click on this post here and add the featured image. But before we do that, like I said, we're going to create a new category. So let's do that first. Say add new category. So the name of the category is going to be what? Downloads. Okay. Downloads. Okay, so you click on add category. So it's added. I'm going to add the featured images here. So load our files, go to the desktop here. We locate the web tools. Okay, so we have this, the images, the screenshot, we have this and that. This is okay, so we insert them, the two of them. So we're going to use the two of them as the feature, this as well as that as okay. It could be that just we need this one, so let's just go for this one. Okay, so let's use it as the featured, set as featured image is set. Perfect. So here you can go ahead and then publish it for now. We'll come back and edit it. Okay, so let's go ahead and publish it. Let's publish it first. Published. Okay, so let's quickly view our post. So let's go back here and then under this dashboard, let's view our site. Okay, so you can see that we have this here. Okay, it's the category is what? Downloads. Okay, so moving fast forward, I would want us to install some plugin to change the look of our text editor, okay, where we normally share our post. To do that, let's come to the dashboard quickly. Let's come to the plugins and go to add new. I'm going to add a plugin called classic editor. Classic editor. Let's see how it goes. I didn't spell it well. Classic editor. Perfect. So we install this. Then we activate it. Perfect. So this will quickly change the look of our text editor. We'll go there and then we see how it looks like. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. And now let's quickly go ahead. Let's come to the dashboard here. Perfectly. Let's come to the dashboard. The next thing I would want us to do is let's come to the appearance. We come to menus here. Okay, and then under menus, let's come to categories. Now let's select this download and then we add it here. So we click on add menu. Okay, so it's now added here. Let it go before the contact us. So it can come here. Perfect. It should be like this. If you shift it this way, it will be like, if you shift it like this, it will be like a sub menu, but we're not doing that. Okay, so we make sure it's like this. We quickly go ahead and then save it. Save menu. Okay, this is saved now. So if we should view our site, so we can see now we have downloads here and we have this post under download. So anything at all we want to share, we'll come here and do that. Now moving fast forward, now we have just shown our users what we have here, an amazing what we download this amazing e-voting system, and then description of the system. So where will they download it? So we need to host it here. Okay, how do we do that? So quickly let's go to the dashboard here. Now let's come to the media. Okay, now let's go to add new. So let's click on this. Now we navigate to the desktop. So we have the e-voting check management system here. Let's insert that first. It's inserted. We go for the e-voting, okay, as well. So you can, whatever files or document you would want to share, you would first of all have to host them like this. So we add the e-voting system too as well here. So perfect, we are done with the two. Now the next line of action is since we are dealing with the e-voting, let's select it and then we copy this URL. Okay, here, so we just copy this. Copying this, we can close this, and then let's quickly go back to the posts. So click on this, we go to the posts, and then under the pre-download this amazing e-voting, click on edit. Perfect. So we are here now. Now you see that our text editor has just changed to this. Now here we're going to create a link for our users to trace and download. So you can say what? Download file here. So let's just select this, format it, we bold it, okay. We would want to italic it as well. Okay, now let's shouldn't italic it. Then so here we would want to add link to it. So you click on this. Now you're going to paste this URL here. Control V to paste it. Then insert it here. That's our link. Okay. So now the link is added. So let's see something. Let's do some of these settings here. What else do we have to do? Okay. Nothing. Everything is okay here. So you just click on update. So I think we are done with this. So now when our users click on this, they'll be prompted to what? Download the file. Okay, so that is that. Let's update it and see how it's going to work. So let's view our post now. So in the process of when they come this way, they say this here, download the file here. Let's quickly go back and format it and change the text to a blue or something like that. Okay, text color. So let's select it. Let me just toggle toolbar like this, toggle it, and then have this text color is here. You can give it like a deep blue color like this. It means okay. Perfect. So you can update it. Then we view our post here. Perfect. So when the reader gets here and they click on this, see that they should be able to download the file here. It's downloaded perfectly, so that is working. So this is how you share files on your blog or whatever for your users to come and have access to. So with this, it's bring users because these are some of the things they want. Okay, they want this thing, so you share them on your blog, and then they come and download them, and they'll be good to go. Perfect. So we are done. We want to share the next one, and that is the church management system. We've already hosted it, so we just go to new and go to post. Okay, so on the post, let's see, free download this classic church management system with amazing features. Perfect. So with this you are done. So why don't we just go ahead and grab our text here, Control C to copy, and then as the description. So you go ahead and describe step by step how it works. Download here. Perfect. So you can just select this. We can bold it. We can give it a nice color as well. It's blue, and then click on this link. So for now, let's get the link for it. Okay. To get the link, we need to go back to the media. Okay, we'll have to leave this page, but I don't want us to leave. Let's quickly go ahead and then publish this for now. We'll come back and edit it after getting the link, so we don't have to worry about that. So let's go to the media, and then we are dealing with the church, right? So we click on it, and then you copy this URL. Let's copy it. So we can close this now. Come back to the dashboard, and then go to the posts. Then the amazing church management system. Edit this. So once we select this for now, we just go to the link. Okay, so Control V to paste the URL there. Click here. Okay, so now if we want to download it in a new tab, we would want to open it in a new tab and download. Okay, then we can just select this. But since we want the user to be on a page and see it downloaded, so don't select this. Don't select it, just maintain it here, update it. And once that is done, go ahead and update it here. Let's give a featured images for that. Okay, and the category selected. Let's select this category downloads. Let's use this out of this, and then add featured images. So select this one. the church management system, we have the images here. So we go to the desktop and then we locate the web tools. So I think this one alone is enough for us. It's downloading, so we just go ahead and then use it as a featured image. Perfect, it's working. So category, don't forget downloads. And we update it here. Then we can view our post here. So it can appear the front page here, okay, on the home tab. Let's just come to the home tab here and see how it's going to be. Can appear here, but it doesn't really matter. You can see our featured post here. They are just popping up like that. They're going to keep coming like that till the fifth one, like we stated earlier. So when we go to the downloads, then we should see it there as well. So we have this as well as that. So when the user clicks on this and then go ahead and then they can come here and click and then they have it downloaded. Perfect, everything is working. Now the next thing I would want us to check, why don't we just go ahead and share the rest two posts, one on the article and then one on the news. So let's do the article first. I have the article written down, so I'll just go to new and then go to posts. Let me just go to it, go for it. So let me just close this one and save. Okay, go for the first post and this is the heading 5. So I can just rename it. Let me just go back to the editor, control V to paste. I can say top 5 cyber attacks on our system that you should know about. Top 5. Let's make it, sorry, top 5 blah 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 blah. Okay, is okay. So with the rest of the info, we just select this, control C to copy and control V to paste. So we have all these things here. Then the featured image, then the category, it should be under article. So we select it, the featured image. Okay, we go to the desktop, we locate post 1 as an image and then post 1, post 1, post 1, desktop. This one is okay. The category is already chosen, so we select it and then we are good to go and go ahead and publish it. Done. So you can go ahead and view our post here. So it's on the front page here, but once we come under articles, we have it. It's on the home tab as well. When we come to the featured images, very soon it will pop up here. Okay, here's it, it's here. Excellent. So you can see that our blog looks very simple, standing and straightforward, without curve, without bend, perfectly. So let's go ahead and add another one on the news, the second one. So we come this way. So we go, sorry, okay, the news. So let's just minimize this and close this one. Post 2. So we have this. Although it's not the news, okay, but I just want to categorize it under that for demonstration sake. Okay, so perfect, you can have this there. Okay, so in here you can have the post itself. Proceed to copy, proceed to paste here perfectly. Then category should be news. Okay, then the featured image here, it should be, we just locate it on the desktop. Have post with this is okay. So set as featured image. So once we do this, everything looks good and up and running. So we publish it. Immediately after publishing, we can view our blog from here. And viewing the blog on the home tab, we have it. Let's see the category news. Okay, so it's there as well. So once when we come to news too, is there effectively. Have just 2 news. So whatever we have on the news is going to fall under this. So once you click on this, should be under the news category without any problem, without any stress. So you can see that our blog has taken its shape. Okay, so basically this is how we create a blog, share posts, share files on our blog. Okay, so that is that. Look, I think it looks good. Okay, so in our next lesson we're going to see how we can apply for Google AdSense for our blog. So till then, say thank you so much for watching. You can see everything is working, and then bye for now.